Said she never had real peace. Well, come and roll with me. Said she never been with real G's. Well, come and roll with me, and we could be low key. It ain't up to me. Come roll with me.
Howdy there, YouTube. Gonna take a little trip today down to Credit Island. Look and see what kind of flood damage we can see down there. I've driven by it the last couple of days going to work, to and from work, and it's completely blocked off. You can't actually get down to Credit Island, but we can take a look at the actual drive that you would use to get there, and just how that's been affected by floodwaters. We'll have to stop a little bit short and maybe walk. They got barriers. Maybe we'll walk around. The water was all the way up to, well, actually it was on the road. It says no pedestrian access, but we're going to take a little walk just down to probably that no parking sign down there, just to look at the carnage. Holy cow. Look at what it did to the road. It just lifted it up. And it did it all the way. Oh, wow. Incredible. So the water was so high that it was just running over this. You couldn't even see this. All you saw was, on the leading edge there, was like a giant wave. Pretty crazy. Pallet over there. This big ass log here in the road. Another one. Look at this giant piece just missing. This looks like an earthquake hit this. And look, you can see it's that way all the way down. Wow. Yeah, see? Look at that giant tree down there. Look at this. I don't even know what that is. There's a tire. I mean, look at how close it's come to just sweeping that off the other side. Move these boulders around. Incredible, just incredible. But that's what happens when you have, water rushing over this for, weeks. For weeks at a time. It really does. That right there looks like an earthquake hit. Pretty doggone crazy. I mean, you can still see how high the water is. So, yeah, if you continue down this, there's actually an island down there. Credit Island. Get it? They used to have a golf course there. I'm not sure that they still do. But it was a fairly good size park, picnic area. Yeah, so you don't get to use it very often when it's flooded the first part of the summer, from March to now. Still not dried out. So yeah, that's one of the big consequences of our flooding here in Davenport. Is it usually takes out Credit Island, and once again it has. Oh, look at that office chair.